Hello guys, today we are gonna learn about how you can add specific posts to your WordPress footer widget like this that I have added. This is Tech Mode Official, your best friend for the WordPress, Telegram and other technical videos. You can subscribe our channel to support us. Thanks. So let's go to the appearance and then widgets to add the footer block. Now press on add widget. We are clicking on latest post. As you can see, it's been added. Now click on setting button on the top right corner. You can order it by alphabetically A to Z like I have done. And for categories, you can choose your category that you want to show for the post. I have chosen this category. If you want, you can choose another category. And this is shown here. Now let's add a heading for the category. It's IPO index, that's the heading. Let's move it to the upward side. Now it's posted. Click on update. It will be updated and added. Now we will open our front page and see if it's working or not. Let's scroll down and see, yes, it's here. All the posts that I have chosen for the category is here. The next category you have seen is upward. You can choose any other category that you want. Thank you.